Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best digital microscopes that combine advanced features with practical usability. Whether you're a professional, a student, or someone who simply loves exploring the microscopic world, there's something here for you. All the product links are in the description below, so feel free to check them out. This list is based on our personal views, taking into account ratings, reviews, orders, price, quality, and durability. Let's see what these microscopes have to offer and which one might be the perfect fit for you. Number 5. The OSEELANG OSL002 Digital Microscope. This versatile device offers an impressive magnification range from 40x to 2000x, making it suitable for a variety of applications, from educational purposes to professional lab work. It features a monocular design with WF10x and WF25x wide-angle eyepieces, along with auxiliary lenses for enhanced precision. The sturdy metal build and adjustable LED lighting ensure durability and clear visibility in different settings. Powered by either AA batteries or an adapter, it's portable and convenient for on-the-go use. The USB interface adds a modern touch, allowing you to connect it to digital devices for viewing and analysis. Number 4, the HUILEY MG1200A digital microscope, which combines functionality and style with a 7-inch HD LCD display for real-time viewing. Its magnification ranges from 1x to 1200x, offering flexibility for various tasks, from soldering to examining intricate details on small objects. The adjustable angle design solves common reflection issues, making it ideal for electronics and industrial applications. With HD 12 megapixel resolution and built-in lithium battery options, this microscope delivers sharp and vibrant visuals. It supports multiple languages and has a compact, portable design, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Number 3. The YIZHAN YZ13-1605B digital microscope is a tech-forward choice for those who value portability and innovation. This handheld device offers magnification up to 500x and features high-definition video output, making it perfect for live demonstrations or detailed recordings. Its compact metal design is both lightweight and durable, while its compatibility with USB, HDMI, and VGA connections provides seamless integration with modern devices. Additional features include backlighting, a trinocular camera setup, and even support for smartphone usage, making it highly versatile. Ideal for tasks like soldering, repairing, or educational demonstrations. Number 2. The ZONGMAI C016 Zox H digital microscope stands out with its innovative features. With magnification ranging from 10x to 150x and 4K video recording capabilities, it delivers unmatched clarity and detail. Built with a sturdy metal frame and powered by a 1.5-inch Sony sensor, this microscope provides exceptional image quality for both stills and video. The adjustable working distance of 40 millimeters to 1000 millimeters makes it versatile for a variety of uses, from inspecting small components to capturing professional-grade visuals. Its advanced exposure and white balance settings, along with HDMI and Type-C outputs, ensure optimal performance across different lighting conditions. Finally, the YIZHAN RZ4006-150 digital microscope takes the top spot for its incredible balance of features, portability, and user-friendliness. With high-definition video output and a robust aluminum alloy build, it's a durable and reliable choice for a variety of applications. It supports magnification up to 500x and includes features like USB and HDMI connectivity, making it compatible with multiple devices. Whether you're using it for electronic soldering, jewelry inspection, or educational exploration, this microscope ensures clear and detailed views every time. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to operate, making it a versatile tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more amazing product reviews.